Good evening, students. In EVS class 5, your first chapter is super senses. When your mother calls you for dinner, you go through different activities. So what are those activities? First, you listen your mother's call. So you are using your ears. Then you will wash your hands. You will feel the cold water on your hands. So your sense is feeling this time. Next, you will see the chairs and table where they are kept and you will sit for the dinner. So you are using your eyes. Then you will get the smell of the food your mother has prepared for you. So you are using one more sense organ, that is your nose. And then you will taste the food which your mother has prepared for you. So you are using your tongue this time. So these are the sense organs which you are using. What are the sense organs? You see? What are the sense organs you have used? Eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. So you see, what are sense organs? Sense organs are organs which help us to see, hear, feel, smell and taste. And name of our sense organs are, that is, we have 5 sense organs, no? And name of our sense organs are eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. So human beings have 5 sense organs. Like human beings, animals also have sense organs. They also can hear, smell, taste, feel and they also can see. So we will see how those animals respond by their sense organs. Animals have super senses. Their senses are very much powerful. So in your book, many animals have been mentioned. Their senses have been mentioned. First I have taken ants. If you drop something sweet on the ground, within minutes many ants will be collected around it and they will make a ant line. What happened actually in case of ants? Okay, how they make the ant line? Ants move and leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow smell to find the way and make ant line. Some male insects can recognize their females by their smell. A male silkworm can find his female worm from many kilometers away by her smell only. So smell is very much important super sense of these insects. Now mosquitoes. Mosquitoes can find you by the smell of your body and also by the heat of your body. And they come to suck the blood from our body. Now you see, is a smell good or bad for everyone? No, a smell is not good or bad for everyone in the same way. It depends on how one thinks about it. आप जानते हो, आप देखना आपके क्लास में आपके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, किसी किसी को पेट्रोल का स्मेल बहुत पसंद है, किसी का डीजल का स्मेल पसंद है, कोई है जिसको केरोसिन का स्मेल पसंद है, हाँ. सो इट कैन वेरी. लेकिन फ्लावर्स का, परफ्यूम्स का, इंसेंस स्टिक का मतलब अगरबत्ती का स्मेल ऑलमोस्ट हम सबको पसंद होता है. सो यू सी नाउ दिस टाइम which are the smells you like and which are the smells you dislike. Agarbatti, perfume, flowers, spices, different spices, this smell we like naturally. I don't like the smell of stool or potty, garbage, dirt and dead animals. Now in case of dolphins, what happened? dolphins make different sounds to give messages to each other. And in case of langur, a langur warns others of danger by making a special warning call. आप देखते होंगे zoo में जाते हो तो these langurs, they make different warning calls. They want to spread the message to other langurs. Birds. Birds also give alarm calls to warn about danger by giving different sounds. They also produce different sounds, these birds. Most of the birds have eyes on either side of their heads. Actually, their eyes are fixed and they cannot move, so the birds have to move their heads very frequently. Okay, but one bird is there which has eyes like human beings, and that is owl. You can see from the picture also, the eyes look like the eyes of human beings. Now, few birds are there who can see 4 times as we can, and these birds are kite, eagle and vulture. And our next topic is dog. Okay, so dogs also have very good super senses. They can find their friends by their smell. Dogs mark out their own area on the road. They can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. You must have seen dogs sniffing on the road, no? Dogs are used by policemen. Dogs are used to catch thieves and robbers. Dogs can discover bombs. Dogs are used in rescue operations during earthquake, flood, tsunami, etc. So, in these cases, dogs are used by policemen. Now, tiger. Tiger is our national animal, and tiger has many super senses. A tiger can see 6 times better than us at night. Tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and can sense vibration on air. Whiskers help tiger to move in the dark to find its prey. In previous video, I showed you the whiskers also, and these whiskers are very much useful to sense the vibration on air. A tiger's sense of hearing is very sharp. The ears can move in different directions and helps to catch sounds from all around. You must have noticed they can move their ears. Okay. Now, few animals are there which have external ears. That means their ears are outside of their body. We can see them. Which animals? Goat, cow, buffalo. There are few more like cat, dog, okay, etc. But few animals are there which do not have any external ears. Like snakes, they do not have any external ears. They can feel the vibrations on the ground. And birds, they also don't have external ears. They have holes which help them to hear the sound. Next, few animals are there which go into a long deep sleep in certain seasons. Preferably it is winter, I think, and it is called hibernation. In winter season, these animals, they go for long sleep. Lizard, sloth, bear, these animals go for hibernation. People who kill animals are called hunters and poachers. आप जानते हो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं जिसको किल किया जाता है फॉर देयर बॉडी पार्ट्स. लाइक एलिफेंट्स आर किल्ड फॉर देयर टस्क्स. Tigers, crocodiles and snakes are killed for their skins. Musk deers are killed to make perfumes from its musk. Rhinoceros are killed for their horns. So our government has taken various steps to protect the wild animals. To protect animals, government has set up various laws also, and these Through these laws, these hunters and poachers, they are punished. Some forests are declared as national parks where nobody can hunt or destroy the jungle. Few famous national parks of India are Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand, Gir National Park, Gujarat, Bandipur National Park, Karnataka, Sundarban National Park, West Bengal, Kanha National Park, Madhya Pradesh, Simlipal National Park, Odisha, Kaziranga National Park in Assam. I have shown in a map also. You will also paste one map on your copy. But during this lockdown period, it is very much tough to get those maps. You can draw. You can try to draw the map, and you will point out all the states where these national parks are situated. So through this chapter, I want to give you one message also. Animals are our friends and we should not harm them. We should love the animals, we should protect the animals, and we should not kill them. Thank you.